Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about Postman theory. It is not a sketch video, it is continuation video of Postman and Swagger UI playlist. So let's get started. So Postman tool. Post point is it is used to it is used for testing purpose only. It is used for testing purpose only. Second point, it is used to make HTTP request. It is used to make HTTP request. Third point, it is used to test REST REST APIs. They used to test REST APIs. Here, here we need to enter. You need to enter details like here we need to enter details like here it is used to test REST APIs. Here we need to enter all details manually. All details manually. Like URL. We need to enter URL. HTTP method. We need to enter which we need to choose which HTTP method. If any address, we need to enter authentication. If username password is there, we need to enter. If body is there, we need to pass. Parameters are there, we need to pass. etc. If any extra is required, we need to pass. Fourth point is here. If any service, we can also call it as application. If any service or application has multiple controllers are there. If any service multiple controllers are there, then testing them through Postman, testing them Postman one by one takes time. See, if any service or application has multiple controllers are there, then if any service or application has multiple controllers, you can then then testing then testing them one by one using Postman takes time. Postman takes time. Fifth point is we can use Postman for Java language, .NET, Python, etc. Other languages as well. These are the most important points about Postman tool. So let's revision one by one. Postman is a tool or software. We can also call is a testing software. It is used for testing purpose only. It is used for testing purpose only. It is used to make HTTP requests. Here it is used to make HTTP requests. Let's verify which kind of requests. See, we are using HTTP request. We can also use it is used to make HTTPS etc requests. It is used to make HTTPS etc requests. It is used to test REST APIs. Here we need to enter all details manually like URL, HTTP method, headers, authentication nothing but username, password, if any, body, parameters, etc. If any service or application has multiple controllers, then testing them one by one using Postman takes time. We can use Postman for Java language, .NET language, Python, etc. So I am revising one more time. Listen carefully. These are the most important points about Postman tool or testing software. Postman tool testing software. REST APIs, can REST APIs, testing software. REST APIs, testing software. Share Postman tool or REST APIs testing software. REST APIs testing software. It is used for testing purpose only. It is used to make HTTP, comma, slash, HTTPS or other, etc. requests. It is used to make HTTP, or HTTP slash HTTPS, etc. requests. It is used to test REST APIs. Here we need to enter all details manually like URL, HTTP method, headers, authentication, body parameters, etc. If any service or application has multiple controllers, then testing them one by one using Postman takes time. We can use Postman for Java, .NET, Python, etc. Let's see in Postman. This is the HTTP methods. These are the HTTP methods. These are the URL. These are the parameters. Like we are passing ID as the parameter. This is the value of this ID parameter. After the authentication, select. Suppose we are selecting basic authentication, then we need to enter username, password, headers. If any headers are we need to pass. After the body, if any scripts are there, we need to pass here. If any tests are there, we need to pass here. So thank you for watching. In this video, we have successfully understand Postman theory.